Today Old Blue needs some attention. We're here at the shop and we're sobbing. Old Blue's fuel pump needs a little attention. So what happens is, well, Dave will explain. He likes that part. What's going on?
I can blow past the fuel pump. So it has a double check valves.
Yeah.
So the fuel goes in, it pushes, it'll come out. So this is in. So I can blow really easy. Now I should not be able to blow this way.
You should not be able to put your mouth on something with gas in it. Highly scientific, guys. Oh, Dave can't push past. The check valve works.
So let's get some goo.
Yeah.
Goo this. We'll just keep the gasket stayed on there, so we're good.
Okay.
Hey, look at this. The actuating rod, you push it in, and it comes out. You push it in, and it comes out. So there's no issue with that. That moves freely. If gravity pulls it out, then it's good.
Actuator.
And there was lots of oil. So
Old Blue, you're getting
yeah. And so the problem was
on the fuel.
It would run great, and as long as you hopped in it 10 minutes after you drove it, it was fine. But by the next day, the gas had ran all the way back to the tank, and you had to crank, and it wasn't sucking very well because the pump was bad. So this pump, exact same pump, I bought this on eBay in the States for 56 bucks. I paid 22 euros from the Germans for the same thing. And shipping was like another 14 euros. So this was cheaper, so hopefully it lasts longer.
We'll see.
But if these don't work, I'm taking the pump off of the hot rod Saab because that's the cool one where you can take the top off the screen. And I have 2 rebuild kits for it, so.
Sure.
RTV.
Yeah, Dave wants to put some goo over the gasket, which makes sense.
So that should go down, which means it's gonna clock just like that, just
like
where it's
it
supposed
was.
to, all right?
Up is up. Well, we are enjoying some extra daylight in the PNW. What is it, 3 minutes a day? It's coming back around.
Winter is waning.
It's after 4, and I mean, check it out. Daylight. Little brakes holding up, no leaks, which is really nice. It's been what, 2 months now since we did the brakes?
Yeah. You want to show them where we melted the carb or the air cleaner?
Before we thought the fuel.
We caught the air filter on fire just a little bit.
Melty.
But of course, you know, we're born pyromaniacs anyway. But it'll still work.
My mom told me to not play with fire, but I'm hanging out with Dave, so
yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
I want to see gas go squirt, squirt, squirt. Or you film it, I'll crank it.
Hey, our power's out. What happened?
I kicked it.
And then what happened?
It came unplugged. I want to see it go pump, pump, pump.
I'm out of here. Contact! Nothing yet.
Put your finger over it.
Put my finger over it and what?
Yeah, see if it goes. See if you can feel the.
Okay, I'm looking for a. No, there's no nothing. No pushing. No.
Hey.
How did that go? None of that.
So we're gonna see if we get any vacuum. Okay, it's sucking gas. We got fuel.
Got the fuel.
So now see if it's goes spit.
Clear. Spit. We got it.
All right.
That's a lot.
Okay.
All right, we're at the 15-minute intermission. Go ahead and stand up, stretch, get some more popcorn refills. We'll be right back with more sobbing uncontrollably. Drag it. Choke it. All right, you're good. We have fuel. Good job, Old Blue. So we're grabbing parts. I mean, it's a parts getter. What do? We change the pump, prime the fuel.
Yeah, pretty much.
And now we're rolling.
We're hoping that this pump, well, I could tell when I was blowing on it. So this pump is better. I don't know. I'll take the other one apart. It might have something just stuck in one of the, reed valves, I guess they call them, or check valve.
Saab.